This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry from zero to hero. To begin your chemistry journey, focus on building a strong foundation. Start by understanding fundamental concepts such as atomic structure, the periodic table, and basic bonding. Master essential math skills, including algebra and unit conversions, as these are crucial for problem solving. Familiarize yourself with common chemical symbols and formulas to speak the language of chemistry effectively. This initial step is vital for future success. Once you have a solid foundation, active learning becomes paramount. Don't just read, actively engage with the material. Solve numerous practice problems from your textbook and online resources to solidify your understanding. Participate in class discussions and ask questions to clarify any doubts. Creating flashcards for key terms, reactions, and formulas will significantly aid memorization and recall. Consistent practice is the key to mastery. To truly excel, deepen your conceptual understanding. Connect new concepts to previously learned material, forming a cohesive knowledge network for better retention. Visualize molecular structures and reaction mechanisms. This mental imagery helps grasp complex processes. Always strive to apply theoretical knowledge to real-world examples and laboratory experiments. Understanding the why behind chemical phenomena is far more effective than mere memorization. As you progress, consistent review is essential for mastering advanced chemistry. Regularly revisit all topics to reinforce your knowledge and identify areas needing more attention. Don't shy away from exploring advanced subjects such as organic chemistry, quantum mechanics, or thermodynamics. For challenging concepts, consider joining study groups or seeking guidance from a tutor. Continuous learning and seeking support will elevate your expertise to a heroic level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.